Did you know bulldogs have such unique noses? Bulldogs' noses are short and pushed in, giving them that adorable squishy face, but there's more to it. Their distinct snouts cause them to snort, snore, and even make pig-like sounds. It's called brachycephalic syndrome. Because of their flat noses, bulldogs can have trouble breathing, especially in hot weather, so always keep them cool and hydrated. But those quirky sounds, totally part of their charm. So next time your bulldog snorts or snores, remember, it's just their unique way of saying hi. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a bulldog's snuggly, snorty face?